welcome you to Shairu Classic, and on behalf of Fitness Guru, I welcome you to India. And you have been an inspiration for the world over, and especially for women. What inspires you the most?
Actually, the women inspire me. It's funny, they say, oh, you've inspired me. No. You guys inspire me with your strength, your conviction, your dedication, and that's what keeps me pushing forward to reach more women and bring them into this world of fitness.
That's really amazing. I wanted to ask you a very simple question. People are generally against women in bodybuilding, but Bombshell Fitness has, as per se, changed the whole scenario. I guess you owe this to the world, owes this to you, right? So congratulations for that. Firstly, I want to know what inspired you, or what gave you that education that the curvaceous body of the women should be focused upon, and that can look absolutely amazing in bodybuilding.
Well, part of the problem, like you said, over the years with fitness, a lot of women have afraid to become fit because they were afraid that their body would look masculine. So I developed a training style that doesn't create a masculine physique, that makes a small waist, broad shoulders, not a lot of thickness in the body, that you can still have muscle, you can be fit, but you can still look feminine. So that brings a lot more women to us because they understand that they can look like a woman and be fit at the same time.
Absolutely. Women and fitness, they go hand in hand. I wanted to know, other than Jennifer Constable and Asia Medonza, who are your other key coaches in the Bombshell family?
Well, as far as coaches, we have Bianca Berry, who is a IFBB bikini pro that just was at the Olympia. Yeah. We have a couple of coaches that are NPC competitors that then coach our non-competitors. We also work with non-competitors, we work with pageant contestants and all that. But our main coaches for competitors are Jen, Asia, and Bianca.
And you have encouraged fitness for every age. Like you have a 40 plus bombshell, you have a 50 plus bombshell, you have a 60 plus bombshell. Yes. So this is something which is unique and phenomenal. So who gave you that idea?
I gotta tell you, once I reached over 45, I'm 46, I realized that there's not a lot of women that understand that they can be fit at any age. So the more women started coming in and working together, I realized that they can look amazing 40, 50, 60. There is no age limit on looking and feeling great.
Actually, age is just a number.
Exactly.
Right. My last question to you would be, I'm from the magazine Fitness Guru. We have this magazine. We would like to feature you in this magazine. Firstly, I'd like to present this magazine to you. This month ki magazine, can I have the magazine for this month? So in this magazine, I've written the editorial about you. We would like to feature you in your interview in this magazine.
Oh, that's wonderful.
And I am one of your most ardent admirers and followers from country other than the
great. Thank you so much.
And thank you so much for being a part to Fitness Guru. Can you give a message to Fitness Guru? Can you give a message to Fitness Guru magazine?
Thank you, Fitness Guru magazine, for featuring all these amazing athletes, and also for speaking with me as a